Team security for priorities allows you to limit visibility of a priority to members of certain huddles. To put team-level security on a priority, first create or edit a priority. In the visibility dropdown, select My Teams. A team section will appear. Select the teams who should be able to view this priority. A few things to note. You will only be able to select teams that the current owner of the priority belongs. Admins can change the security settings of any priority they have access to, but non-admins can only change security of priorities they own. A priority secure to certain teams won't be seen anywhere in the product if you don't belong to those teams. That includes the priorities page, huddles, dashboards, and reporting. And finally, a child priority will initially inherit the security settings of its parent priority. From there, a user can choose to limit visibility of a child further.